This is a review of the MX-01. This is a class 3 e-bike. This is the most powerful class you can get and fastest e-bike you can get out there. It goes roughly 30 miles per hour with the battery itself. So if you spin the wheels and you can go actually faster than 30 miles per hour. But this is a very good bike. Fat tires, which are really good for comfort in terms of potholes or divots in the road or sidewalk. Very comfortable and great for the beach or mountain. You can see right here it's got 4 LED lights, and let me go ahead and turn it on here for you. This is the button for the LED light. I just pressed it on and you can see right there, very bright, 4 LEDs. Surprisingly, this also has a horn button, very loud horn button. You've also got your Shengmilo gears right here, your brakes. The throttle is this turn knob right here. So you just turn that to go faster. You've also got, this is the power button for the LCD instrument panel. You just hold it and it will turn on. So you can see right here, it has 44 miles on it. Not much at all. PAS is the type of power you want from the electric motor. So you can see right here, there's different levels, 5 being the highest. So if you want to go really fast, you press on 5, but I usually have it on 1 or 2 to get some exercise. So you can see right here, the energy bar fluctuates and the energy bar fluctuates depending on how much battery is within the bike. You also have another gearbox right there, brakes. The good thing about this bike is it has disc brakes. So these are very accurate in terms of stopping on a dime. You also have a great suspension right here for, again, mountain biking and whatnot. You also have this right here if you want to be able to put some bags or grocery or whatever sports items. You can be able to carry it with the bike, which I really do appreciate. They also have these little flap things for mud or water so it doesn't hit behind you, including with the front. The battery right here is within this component. You can take it out or you can also lock it so nobody steals it with this key right here. So when I lock it, you can see right there this button or this metal thing comes up. So the paddles right here, they do fold up. You just press these right here and you can actually fold these up. Let me go ahead and try it right here. There you go. So easy in terms of placing it in your vehicle or folding it up inside your house. This also does fold up. So this really beautiful bike here can fold up in a very compact manner, which I really do appreciate. You have a very comfortable seating right here, but you also have LED with rechargeable USB right there. So this is a rechargeable USB, which is really nice. I do appreciate that. I haven't recharged it for some time, but that is a really nice feature to have. Other than that, a very nice bike. There's also hydraulic forks right here in the front where you can be able to adjust. This is basically the king of all bikes. So if you're looking for a bike that can do everything and anything, this is the bike to have. And this is the reason why I had gotten it, is because it's foldable. You can be able to place it in the trunk of the vehicle. Is one of the fastest e-bikes out there. Really fast charging in terms of the battery and longevity and length. You can be able to ride this for quite a distance actually. So with that said, hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.